Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I raised my hand. You can make me the host, sir.
Wait. Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning. Morning.
Morning, sir.
Right, let's start the next chapter. There is nothing but
Yes.
see, just like how we have intermolecular forces, there is another peculiar phenomenon. See, did you ever observe light objects like cork, matchsticks, they float? Did you ever observe this?
Yes, sir. Observe.
You can see that there will be okay. This is the
Yes.
liquid. Agreed. So
Yes,
here,
sir.
when you keep a matchstick, it is floating. See, if you observe from this side, you'll see matchstick like this one,
Yes,
What
sir.
it will be? You're able to see this? I'm
Yes, sir.
showing this. Actually, due to this, it should fall down, no? Why
Yes,
it
sir.
is not falling? Did you ever think about that?
Yes, sir.
Reason
Total.
is, see, these molecules are there, no? For the
Yes.
liquid. See, here the liquid is slightly depressed. Did you ever observe this? These are the liquid molecules. You're able to observe or not?
Yes.
All these are liquid molecules. These liquid molecules will try to see when this is being pressed, intermolecular separation is increasing or not? This goes
Yes, sir.
on like this, the molecular separation is increasing. So this separation becomes greater than equilibrium separation. So which type of forces will arise?
Attractive.
For attractive. Therefore, there is an attractive force. Now, this attractive force is acting throughout the length, no? All molecules will exert that, no? That
Yes, sir.
means this is exerted throughout. Okay? We call one thing called T. What is T? I'll tell. T into the length along which the molecules exist is the force. Similarly, this side also T is a property of the liquid. What is T? I'll tell. The length of the other side also is there now. This is the other force. Do you agree with this?
Agree,
What
sir.
are this?
Yes.
Now, because of these forces, what will happen? Let us see. See here, suppose this is T, theta. This is theta. What will happen? This is TL cos theta. This is also
TL cos theta.
TL cos theta. What is this?
TL sin theta.
TL sin theta. What is this?
TL sin theta.
TL sin theta.
Yes, sir.
Now, sum of TL sin theta will become
Zero, sir.
0. Okay. Now you can see that this mg is balanced by
Normal force.
2TL cos theta. Not normal. Normal force is different. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
See here, normal force arises when one body presses the other. Here there is no pressing. Agreed? Because if it is pressing, the liquid won't go down, no? Till here, any doubt is there, man?
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
So that means there is one peculiar force which arises only on the surface. It won't be arising in the inside it. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear or
No.
not? That means you can say that whenever there is a solid, liquid interface, okay, then so let length of the border, the length of the interface be some L, okay, then the force due to surface molecular interaction is T into L, where T is called surface tension of liquid. Understood this? Any doubt is there? See, observe that whenever you are keeping a matchstick, this is the liquid, no? This
Yes,
is the
sir.
liquid. Observe carefully. Interface means this one only, no? Where the liquid molecules touch the solid is this one, no? This
Yes, sir.
length is L. So this T into L is nothing but the force due to surface tension, where T is the surface tension between what? The liquid
So,
and solid. Any doubt is that till here?
no, sir. No doubt, sir. Clear,
That
sir.
means remember that on the surface there is one force called force of surface tension. What is that force of surface tension is the property of the liquid molecules and solid molecules. They have an interaction, no? Agreed.
Yes.
See, this is the force between interaction of what? Liquid and solid. Okay. That force is nothing but the length of the interface into T. T is a property of liquid and solid. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood. Sir, but one doubt, sir. Sir, only some objects float now, sir. Some other object sink now, sir. Why it happened? If
So-
there
so-
was
so- Yes, man, this force cannot support more weight. It's a very weak force. Understood this? If this
yes,
is, this can be, suppose mg is more, it cannot. The stick will float, only object will float.
due to surface tension, force of surface.
Less than or equal to,
Well,
otherwise it cannot.
yes, sir. Yes, understood it clearly.
Heavy object cannot. Means cannot, that much force it cannot apply. You are there, you have some capacity to study. More than that, you cannot do. Why means a natural attribute. We can't do anything. No? Can we
Yes,
do
sir.
anything?
No, sir.
Some people behave rudely. Okay. It's an attribute of the student. We can't tell anything to them. No.
Sir, but we can try to change, sir. We can try to work hard. Yes,
No man. Who am I to try to change? All religious books are there. No. They told many things. Okay.
yes, sir.
The most holy books has given a lot of inspiration for us. What is life? How to behave in our life. And we say that we claim that we are following, but what is that we are following? Practically we are seeing, no?
Yes, sir. Same, sir.
That's the reason why every weekend we pray. See, Christians go to church, Hindus go to temples on Saturdays, weekends. Did you ever observe? Because
Yes, sir.
remaining 5 days we can behave anyway. Weekend we'll go to temple and we'll pray. Though we think that sins will go away. So these are attributes. We cannot intermolecular force an attribute. We can't do anything. Why it means it has that much only it can support. It cannot support more than that.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Tomorrow, if people become doctors and engineers, you are thinking his job is so easy. Yeah?
No, sir. Never easy, sir.
Why ask madam in small college MS? Madam, her mic has one problem with
Yes,
it.
sir.
In this small college only, you have duty from morning to night. No, any time they'll call. No?
Yes, yes.
Don't think that life. These people are thinking like royally will behave. After becoming doctor, the amount of work you have to put is not an easy thing. Midnight also, you have to be attending the patient.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You people are thinking like movies and all on stethoscope on court we will go by Adhikar and Anjay on heroine and all. No.
No, sir.
Engineering. Software also every blood cell they'll utilize when private companies that all conversion of our blood into their money, out of which you will get 0.01% of the You not even 0.0001% of the what you are giving to them, you will get that. Amazon pays you 5 lakhs per month, for example, that they'll extract it of 5 crores from you.
Yes, sir.
So to do all this, you need patience. Why I'm telling all this is, what is for me, man? If I get irritated, I won't do that job. That's all. I am very strict in my politics. Nobody can change me.
Yes, sir.
You ask Gauss sir, man. I argue with him only. Ask him directly. Your directors also will argue. Chairman will argue. Chaitanya chairman also very badly scolded him. Yeah, I have some principles. Teacher should be respected for the student. Then only transference of knowledge is possible. If that is not there, we cannot transfer the knowledge.
Yes, sir. We understand, sir.
Yes, sir.
Scooter is there. It is possible to run the scooter on road. You ask me to run it in ocean. How it is possible?
Not possible, sir.
So here, student should have certain attributes naturally. The patience, the attitude to learn. If that is not there, what we get? Not on this. Why I am telling is from tomorrow, I think holy Ramjan time is coming. At least behave next 30 days, behave properly. Anyhow, have patience.
Yes, sir.
The timing will be same.
Pardon?
Class timing will be same tomorrow, sir.
You want changes, please call Afzal sir or Gauss sir and ask them. Because they gave these timings. Madam,
Yes, sir.
madam, talk to Gauss sir. Abrar wants time changing.
No, sir, I just asked.
No man, why you are afraid?
Duty doctor, sir.
What Gauss sir says, no. Why God told him to change timings, sir. What is this? You know, if you are in college, you'll be knowing, man. Ramjan, nothing. He'll say during 10 minutes, go, pray, come and eat, that's all. No question of breaks, that's what he says. And he'll very badly scold the student as well as faculty also, who has to give that break. We did not see the real color of MS, man. Once college starts, no, you'll see the another form of military discipline.
That is good on you, sir. Then we will become doctors.
Huh? If anybody scores, he'll become doctor. Okay, do go on to the road, man. Catch one girl's hand. She'll hit you black and blue with chapel. You'll become doctor.
Sir.
No, you told no.
I mean,
Anybody will hit and scold, you'll become doctor. No, do some mischief thing, then you'll become doctor.
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Madam, idiots. Other scolding, you'll become doctor. Where from you learned? I never heard so far.
Completed this, sir.
Right. So the moral of the story is, remember, surface tension means this force will, tension means a type of force. Surface means the interface. So these forces will exist where? Only on surface. That's only on surface when a solid is kept. See, for example, I'll demonstrate certain things. Anyhow, your classes will be for another 1 or 2 days, no, not more than that. Because you have an important exam, no, IP, international exam.
No, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
See, this is one disk.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see the molecules will be where, just use your common sense and see how does the molecule will be there.
Below the.
These molecules are here only, no?
Yes, sir.
That means everywhere throughout the molecules will be, there will be a force, no? When the disk tries to go up. Agreed? That means totally the force is what? T cos theta throughout
Yes, sir.
into, what is the border of this? This is a disk. What is this? A disk. Disk means water will be only in outside, no?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
T cos theta into what is the length of the border? 2 pi r. Perimeter, man. Length of the interface. Length of the interface is equal to mg for equilibrium of that. Understood this?
Understood, sir. Understood, sir.
Just to visualize this, man.
Yes, sir. Visualizing, sir.
Sir, we have to take T cos theta only.
No, here because this is the what is the horizontal component? This one only, no? This angle is theta only, no?
Oh, yes, sir.
Because T sin theta will balance throughout. See, T sin theta are balancing, no?
Yes, sir. They will be equal.
This will also exist, but that will balance.
Yes, sir. They will be equal. Okay, sir.
Understood
Yes,
this?
Yes, sir.
understood, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this?
Sir,
1
minute,
minute.
sir. 1 minute.
Yes, sir. You can turn.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute.
Your board exam decision will be revealed only on 20th, no?
Yes, sir.
Till 20th, he cannot say whether first year exams will be there or not, it seems.
Yes, sir. Every day is new.
So that means you will be having second year classes in July.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Suppose you have a ring. What is this? This is a disc.
Ring. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, hello.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, sorry. Ring. What is this? Disc already over, no? What is the difference between ring and a disc floating? Can you tell? Oh,
Foreign, sir.
pardon?
Ring is body.
Pardon?
Ring.
Sir, what
Pardon?
will
Pardon?
Sir, ring means two length of interface is there, sir. Inside
That
and
means,
outside.
remember, there is water, liquid here also, no?
Yes, sir.
Liquid is
Yes, sir.
outside.
Inside.
So that means inside interface, outside interface. That means you
Yes.
have T cos theta into 2 pi r. Similarly, outside also you have T cos theta into 2 pi r.
Yes, sir.
So this is mg. That means what you have now, T
2T.
cos theta 2 pi r into 2 is equal to mg. Understood
Yes.
this? There are two interfaces now.
Yes, sir.
Two
There are two
interfaces inside and outside. Followed?
sir. Followed, sir.
Identify the interfaces. Find the length of that into t. That's all. This chapter is over.
Yes, sir. Understood something, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir,
Minutes.
Yes,
Sir,
1
2
minute.
pi r. So T cos theta. Or the angle of 2 pi.
Corona should teach you to have patience, man. You're angry because of lockdown, staying at home. We cannot go and fight with Corona now.
No, sir. We are not angry, sir. We are.
So we have to be friendly with Corona. Just apply soap and sanitizer, it will be keeping quiet. You take knife and anger, it will get angry.
Yes, sir. We are patient, sir. We understand situations. Yes. Completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose there is a square plate. Floating on surface of liquid. That means this is a square plate. How many interfaces will be there?
So, 4
Sir,
interfaces.
four.
4
Hopeless fellow. Interface and 4 interfaces you're saying.
One
There is
interface.
no water here only, no?
Yes, sir.
That means you have like this t cos theta into the side length L.
L.
This side also t cos theta into side length L. This is also t cos theta into side length L. This is also,
T cos theta into side length L.
that means the net upward force due to what?
Square.
Surface.
Is
T cos.
T cos into.
okay. Do you agree with this or not?
Agrees.
Agreed.
Is equal to mg. Yes.
See, tomorrow it begins, no?
So, what, sir?
Your festival, Roja.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
So tomorrow, today night you'll have sleep. After 1 or 2 days, you feel sleep, by that time classes will be closed. Don't worry.
Sir, in this for Saudi, it started today, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
you had,
Yes, sir.
you know,
Today's
no.
Yes,
Jasim,
it
your
started.
body, I think seeing your photo, your body can sustain for 2 days, no problem.
Yes, sir. No problem, sir. Nothing will happen, sir. Sir,
See,
full mark.
even God has told you to do by doing your work. He never told eat and sleep, no.
Yes, sir. He never told.
Even during this Ramjan, many people go to office, they do the work, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then why do you need special timings, Abrar, hopeless fellow?
I didn't ask, sir. I just asked if there is any change
No,
timings.
no,
But
we'll
Anisha
ask
was
some.
telling,
No, man, we ask something if you have some idea about that, no. Suppose I want to go to a film, then I'll think about which films are running. Otherwise, why should I have that? I have the knowledge of films, man. Common sense. No? I'm a physics teacher, man. I can understand your mind. One word comes from you, I can interpret in many ways. That is only physics, no.
Some classes timings are changing, so he asked.
No question. Who is changing? Which timing you
IB
tell?
teachers. IB
Huh?
teachers, sir. IB teachers. Ajit,
No,
sir.
no. No, that is, I think, the classes and all are during prayer time, I think. I don't know about that. Anyhow, my classes maximum tomorrow it will be closed. You don't worry. No.
After that, sir.
Now IP class is going on.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Which
he gave question answer
which chapter is started? Which chapter is going on?
randomly.
Randomly, not chapter wise. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Answer wise, sir.
This
Question,
question
sir.
is important, sir.
Long answer question. What is the question?
No. Each chapter important question that is not discussed in that way. Huh?
Here
Okay.
in Max, we
Like
are doing
LAQs.
errors. Sir.
Huh?
In Max,
Like,
errors are going on.
No, maths it will go. Physics and thing. Randomly saying. No?
Yes,
sir,
sir.
important.
LAQs of all lessons. Like
Yes, sir, he is teaching
Like that.
LAQ.
Long answer.
IIT theory is not useful for that long answer. Huh? That is different. Huh?
No, sir, it is very easy.
same only, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you feel IP easy because you learned up to your competitive exam, no? So what is the moral of the story? So if you read at a higher grade, other exams will be easier. You want to write IIT advanced, read above that. Then advanced will be easy.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Shall I
what
turn
is
this?
ST, sir? When-
Yes, sir. Completely, sir.
What
Sir,
is?
ST.
Where is it? S2. Surface tension, man, hopeless fellow.
Oh,
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completely.
Right. Now suppose we are having a rectangular loop, not a plate, rectangular loop of length L and breadth B, floating on water, floating on liquid. Now tell how many interfaces are there, man.
Two, sir.
Two interfaces. Two interfaces. For 8
You can
phases.
see that this is liquid. Outside also liquid is there now.
Yes, sir. There.
So there is liquid inside as well as outside.
Outside. Yes, sir.
Therefore, two interfaces,
Two interfaces. For 8 phases of the
liquid
liquids.
interfaces, I'm saying, not length,
Yes, sir. So,
right?
two interfaces. Yes, sir.
Therefore, you can see this is T cos theta into L. This is T cos theta into breadth. This is also T cos theta into breadth. This is T cos theta into breadth. That is one interface. Then internally inside also it is there now.
T cos theta into L.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then again you have T cos theta into breadth. Similarly here also T cos theta into breadth. Again this
Sir,
is inside. T cos theta L. You
sir,
understand?
that is also L, no, sir.
Pardon?
Because,
Pardon?
Understood, sir.
sir,
Understood.
This is inside.
yes, sir.
Into
Sir,
2. Outside now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Outside also there. Outside also there.
You do surface tension. Two interfaces now.
Yes, sir. Two interfaces.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir. No doubt, sir. Clear.
Sir, in downward opposite, sir, in black pen, there is
Hmm.
arc
Hmm.
T cos theta L, sir.
Where man?
Yes, sir, sir. Yes,
This one.
yes, sir.
Hmm. One inside, the other outside. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir. It's clear. Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute, sir. Please. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Completed?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Sir,
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Clear, sir.
పెద్ద హాస్పిటల్ ఎక్కడ బతకాలి
ఎవరు ఇచ్చారు? ఇచ్చాడా?
నవోదయ హాస్పిటల్ అని అంటే మరి ఇది పంచులో ఉన్నట్టుందంటే చూస్తారు మేడం వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చారు మరి వాళ్ళు ఎంతైనా వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళు ఇష్టం.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Suppose there is a semicircular plate, then
Yes, sir.
ఓకే వీళ్ళు వేసింది
వేసుకొచ్చావు నువ్వు
నేను స్నానం ఇప్పుడే స్నానం చేశాను స్నానం చేసి రామాయణం
ఎక్కువ ఎక్కువ
follow this.
Following, sir. Yes, sir. Following, sir.
Now tell how many interfaces are there?
Single interface. One interface.
Only liquid is outside only, no?
Yes, sir. Only one.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is plate, not a loop.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
So you can see along this what you have t cos theta into 2l, no? 2r, no?
Wow.
Very diameter. And here what you have?
Fire.
Pi r only, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Follow this?
Yes, sir. Follow, sir. Follow.
Is it not easy, man?
Yes, sir. Comparatively easy, sir. Comparatively.
Yes, sir.
Compared to mechanics, this is nothing. Shall I turn this, man?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Equals to mg, sir.
I am saying only upward force only I am showing. I did not say balance. You know, what is the net upward force?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I can say that whenever we are having a liquid, suppose IP is postponed, you study IP till 2-3 months, man. Bah.
Yes, sir.
If IP, no, that Board of Intermediate President Commissioner told that on 28th we will take a decision about these exams. So if that is the case, they postpone to June or July. You won't have classes till then, only
Not yet.
IP.
Continue our classes.
You'll be having your IP pre-finals, semi-finals, quarter-finals, IPL, test matches, all exams you'll write. Come back to this. So remember that you take, there'll be what are the forces, man, if you observe carefully, there will be molecules on the surface now.
Yes, sir. On the surface.
These are surface molecules. So there is a force, tangential force. Each molecule is pulled by other molecules. Okay, that means if you see the line of molecules, these are line of molecules, no?
Yes, sir. Slide of molecules.
Okay, suppose the length is this. Okay, the total force is F is the tangential force. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, the tangential force per unit length
F by L.
is taken as a measure of surface extension.
of liquid.
So generally that's why we write like this. Okay, so here F will be, this is the force due to,
Surface tension.
understood this story?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Concentrate
Yes,
on NEET and IITs, man, you become, that is life.
yes, sir. We understand, sir, about that.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please.
Complete, sir. Complete.
What Malakpet fellow, suddenly your voice is heard.
No, sir, I'm there from beginning.
So you are using DJ to talk with me, a background music, that is coming.
No, sir.
That's a DJ network. We are all using normal network, that's called DJ. Shall I turn this?
Yes,
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
so
Okay, you're understanding what is what?
yes, sir, we are trying to
Yes, sir.
understand. Yes, sir.
No, at least you understood what is board exam and competitive exam. At least if you know that, that will be enough.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Competitive exam will give
Hmm?
Yes,
competitive exam will give job, sir.
Toughest is advanced man. Next, NEET and mains are same level.
yes,
The
sir.
worst and easiest exam in the galaxy is board exam, especially IP board. What is that, man? Your sir is telling important questions, means everybody able to do predictions on IP now.
Yes, sir.
You show important questions for advanced or something like that.
No, sir.
Shall I turn?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Complete.
Sir, done, sir.
Now, this is one U-shaped frame.
Yes, sir. Okay.
U-shaped frame. Now, this is dipped in soap solution and removed. What will happen? Can you tell? A soap film will form, no?
Yes, sir. So film will form.
Yes, sir.
Will form. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Soap film will not be formed unless it's a closed one. It won't be. This is the slider, means which can slide.
Slide. Sir, still form will form now, sir. Means film.
No, if this is not there, it won't be formed. Four sides should be there. I'll tell why also.
Yes,
Otherwise,
sir.
what will happen is this unbalanced force is there. Now, this surface tension will balance. This will be, there is no slider, means it won't balance. So, film won't be there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It will not form. Yes, sir. Understood.
You're able to understand this?
Yes, sir. We are able to
Now,
understand.
one soap film is formed. This is a soap film.
Yes.
Now, can you tell how many interfaces will be there?
4 interfaces. This was it. 2
Hopeless
interfaces.
fellow. Film is a paper, man. This is one paper. This is another one. This is film only, no?
Yes, sir.
So you can see this paper solid. This is air. So how many interfaces are there? This is one interface. Back side is another interface, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Back side of that there is an interface between liquid and air. This side also liquid and air, no? Interfaces means separation between two media. Back side there is separation between liquid and air. Front side there is separation between liquid and air. Understood this or not? Hello?
Yes, sir. So, sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, this
Tell.
liquid or sir, what is this feeling, sir? Means is just a separation or
Interface means two media. The separation between two media, man, nothing else. Previously, understood this or not?
yes, sir. Understood, sir. Sir, but one minute, sir.
Tell.
So writing, sir. To write. That's why.
So here now you can see this. Please see this slider is subjected to molecule force. Suppose this is the length of this. Can you tell what is the force of this? T into length, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So T cos theta into length, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello?
Yes, sir.
If not mentioned, we'll take theta as 0. Otherwise, he'll mention. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Plus TL. Why I am taking 2?
Sir, two
Front side
interfaces.
and back side, no? See, if you
Yes.
look at the slider, you have molecules like this, no? These are molecules like this, no? These molecules are pulled like this, no? By the other back side molecules.
Pulled. Yes, sir.
You're able to visualize or not?
Yes, sir.
See,
We
this
are
is the
able to.
slider, man. If you look like this, imagine you're looking like this. When you look like this, you'll be seeing molecules on both sides, no?
Yes, sir. We are able to see. We will be able to
These
see.
molecules are pulled by the other molecules on the back side, no?
Yes, sir. Will be. Each preceding
That
molecule.
is what I am saying this. So they are true forces. So now for the frame to move with constant velocity, you have to apply an external force. Against what actually 2TL, no?
2 TL. Yes, sir.
You are able to visualize or not?
Yes, sir. We are able to see.
Now, if the frame is slider is moved slowly, what will happen? That means slowly means acceleration is 0.
Zero.
This
0.
implies external force equals TL plus TL, that is 2TL. Suppose we apply. Then surface film will extend and a new area delta A is formed. Do you agree with this? Any doubt?
Sir.
This is slowly moved, man, and it is brought a small distance, for example. Then this is a new area now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Delta A.
That is what I am showing here. I wrote here. Any doubt
Yes.
is there till here?
No doubt, sir.
No
Clear,
doubt,
sir.
sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute.
So this is moved by delta x.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? You're able to visualize with your
Yes,
mind?
yes,
You're
sir.
able to visualize.
Yes, sir. We are able to visualize. Post on the slider.
See, you will be successful at anything. You are able to perceive, visualize. Then only you can project. If you know any problem, first you should anticipate, perceive, visualize. If you do this, what will happen? Then you will be definitely implementing that. You can project it outside and you'll get a solution.
Yes, sir. Yes.
If you have completed, tell me. I'll just go ahead.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. Please.
No,
One
no,
minute, sir.
take your own time, man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Shall I, shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Now see, f external is what? 2L, no?
Yes, sir. 2TL.
This is T into, can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
This is front interface, no?
Yes, sir. Front interface.
Like in, like a paper, two sides will be there, no?
Yes, sir. Two sides will be.
Okay, that means I can say that this is front side, this is area, back side, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfectly. Yes, sir.
So can I write like this?
Yes, sir. We can write.
Clear?
Yes,
So this is the work done. Understood this?
yes, sir.
So remember that work done is surface tension into the area, surface area formed. Okay, this is the work done to form a surface area delta A by a liquid equals, understood this?
Understood, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute. Sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Finished?
1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed,
See,
sir.
whenever work is done means energy is supplied, no?
Yes, sir. Energy is supplied.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Whenever remember work is done means energy is supplied.
Yes, sir.
If the supplied energy, remember that if there is no kinetic energy, this energy should be stored as potential energy. Agreed?
Yes, sir. No speed, so no kinetic energy. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Slider
Moved
moved
slowly, sir.
slowly
Velocity is
implies velocity is constant.
constant.
Therefore, Ke constant. Please understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
1 minute. Done.
Finished? Right.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Suppose we need work done to form a liquid drop. of radius r. Can you tell how much it will be?
Sir,
See, you know, V is nothing, W is what? T into delta A, no?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
T into final area minus initial area, no? See, initially, what is area? 0.
Not found.
Drop is not existing, no?
Not existing. Sir.
Yes, sir.
That means no area, no? Now, final area is, how many surfaces are there?
Only one surface. Sorry, two
Only one
surfaces.
surface only, no?
Sorry. For drop one surface.
Because
Outside.
you have only, this is only the interface, no?
Yes, sir. Only
It is only
interface.
called surface, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means you can see work done is 4 pi r square minus 0. How much it becomes?
4 pi r square dt. Yes.
On the other hand, suppose they say we want an air bubble. How much it will be? See, an air bubble has how many surfaces?
Two
This is
surfaces.
inner surface, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There will be outer surface, no?
Yes, sir. There will be outer surface.
Now you can see initially this is 0. Why? Bubble is not there, no?
Yes, sir.
Found.
Bubble is not found.
Not found means not existing.
Not
What is the
existing.
final area?
Sir,
4 pi r square inside, 4 pi r square outside. Totally how much?
8 pi r
8,
square.
8
So
pi r.
work done is delta A T into A final minus A initial. How much it comes to?
8,
8T into 8 pi r square minus 0.
0.
8 pi r square T. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Drop means there is no inside surface, no?
Yes, sir. Only outer sir.
Followed this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts are there?
Sir, no doubt,
No.
sir. Clear.
Completed, sir.
Completed.
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Return this.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
one doubt, sir. One doubt, sir.
Tell.
Some bubble after forming it breaks now, sir. Why it is breaking, sir? Is there
That is not discussion, no? I'll discuss it. See, what is required for coming board exam, only that part I am covering without any damage to the concepts. Otherwise, you are mugging up the question, no?
Yes,
There is a
sir.
lot to learn for competitive exam. I am underlining that. Okay?
Sorry, sir. I thought it was about
Now,
this course.
in L41 section, they left, after gravitation, they left fully. I am just covering the board syllabus first without question answers. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Suppose they ask like this. You're able to visualize?
Yes, sir. We
Right.
are
Note on this. Note on.
noting, sir. Noting. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
What are this?
Yes, sir. Followed, sir.
See, what is the surface area, can you tell? Always surface energy means you're talking about surface area, no?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see when the liquid is poured in the vessel, this is surface area, no?
Yes, sir. Surface area. A square. Yes, sir.
A square, no? Now when the liquid is not poured in the vessel,
Area is 0. Surface area is 0.
so final area
Minus
A
0.
square. So what is the work done?
T into delta I. AF minus AI. T into S square minus 0.
This
TS.
is only surface energy, no?
Yes, sir. Surface energy.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood. Sir, one more doubt, sir.
Element.
Sir, this surface tension also, this T, is it
Huh?
constant? Sir,
Pardon?
this T, no, sir, this surface tension
For a given liquid solid interface, it is constant.
constant.
This is nothing but intermolecular forces, man. They'll change if temperature changes, they'll change if you add an impurity. Intermolecular forces, how do they change?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it
Without,
clear till here?
yes, sir. It is clear till here. Yes, sir.
Hello? All of you, is clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear,
Right,
sir.
right. Take care. We'll continue in the afternoon. See,
That
don't
is
worry about this. This is another
Okay.
maximum by 2 days. Day after tomorrow it will close. You don't worry. I won't
No,
disturb your festive season. Okay, enjoy.
no worries, sir. No worries, sir.
Okay, sir.
We will be there in the
Thank you,
afternoon
sir.
class.
Take care.
Bye, bye,
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, you can continue if IP exams are postponed, sir.
No, no, that should, I don't know, man. Many people are not interested. But let me finish this first, we'll see.
Sir, is there no surface
Hmm.
no surface tension between the walls of the container and the liquid, sir?
No?
Surface tension between the wall of the container and the liquid, sir.
No, that will be there. This is in terms of, I did not take surface tension here, the energies I am taking. Here he did not ask force of surface tension, no. Here he is asking the energy. You have two things. Previously we have force due to surface tension. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is the surface energy. Yes.
See, the liquid is standing. Why? Because of surface tension only. I already told no. Into A, into 4, no, totally. That will be there.
Will be there. Yes, sir.
But that we do, that is balancing the weight. Otherwise, liquid cannot stay here, no. For example, I am saying.
Yes, sir. Cannot stay.
Yes.
That fellow is asking only surface energy, not like force. If force is asked, you will consider forces. If energy is asked, you should consider work done. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is
Right,
clear.
right.
Yes, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, 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 bye. ఉందంటే నీకు కదా ఉందా